First upon open your Premiere Pro. No, I'm just kidding. If you have searched for this video, that means you know how to open the Premiere. Let's begin the video. Here we are in Premiere Pro. We have a few clips here that I shot from upcoming documentary, so that subscribe to our channel for upcoming projects. I took 4 clips to show you guys how time interpolation affects your clips and your graphic card. Select your clip that you want to make it slow. Right click mouse button, then you will show the speed duration option in drop down menu. There are a few options in it. I will talk about later in video. Just type the percentage you want your clip to be slowed down. Here I am putting 40% because I have shoot in 60 fps. I will tell you about later how you can slow down your video. Depends on your fps. After putting your percentage, just hit OK. Here you can see your video has been slowed down, but it's looking very junky. To make it buttery smooth, we need to take the help of time interpolation. Here we will take another clip, repeat the same process. Now this time in time interpolation option, we will select the frame blending. We don't see any effect because we have to render it first, because it's using AI of software. AI मतलब artificial intelligence जो खुद का दिमाग लगाता है to help humans. Now this time we will select the optimal flow in time interpolation option on other clip. Repeat the process, or you can use shortcut key. Press Ctrl+R on Windows to save the time. To see the result, render the selected clip. Now you can see a slow motion, but it's still not that slow as you see in movies, because I recorded this video on 60 fps. As you got to know, there are 3 options in time interpolation option: frame sampling, frame blending, optimal flow. This is how you can slow down your clip in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Peace.